Do you have a hard time getting patterns to fit back into that tiny little envelope? If you do, you are not alone. I'm going to show you how I put my patterns away so they are easy to store and all the same size with the use of an inexpensive 9x12 envelope. Welcome to Cosplay Sewing School. Let's get started. Fold your pattern pieces into a reasonable size that will fit inside the 9x12 envelope. Put your pattern pieces in the envelope. Don't forget the little ones, they like to get away. Using your paper scissors, cut apart the original pattern envelope on 3 sides. This will separate the front from the back. Place the front of the original pattern onto the front of the envelope. Secure it in place with clear tape. Do the same for the back. Now you no longer have to worry about getting pattern pieces back into that pesky little envelope. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please be sure to hit like and subscribe so you can learn more from me at Cosplay Sewing School.